Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a brake light on a Volvo S60. First, ensure your car is off and the parking brake is set. You'll need a new bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Open your trunk and find the small access panel on the carpeted trim directly behind the taillight assembly. This panel provides access to the bulb housing. Carefully pry it open. Once the access panel is open, you will see two retaining bolts. Use your screwdriver to loosen and remove these bolts. They hold the entire taillight assembly in place. After removing the bolts, gently pull the taillight assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. Be careful not to force it, as there are electrical connectors attached. This will expose the bulb holders. With the taillight assembly out, identify the brake light bulb holder. It's usually the larger one. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Now, simply pull the old bulb directly out of its socket. Take your new bulb and push it firmly into the empty socket until it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Now, reinsert the bulb holder into the taillight assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Carefully guide the entire taillight assembly back into its opening on the car, ensuring the electrical connectors align. Reinstall and tighten the two retaining bolts. Close the access panel. Finally, test your new brake light to confirm it's working correctly. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.